not going to cook and we are not going to bake. And you know, today I want to teach you something new. Nowadays, during this COVID-19, we are always using masks, right? So nobody see our face. But now, I want to teach you how to make your eyes beautiful. Okay? It's not like this, huh? Beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. No, it's not this one. Maybe you're thinking I teaching you beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. What you are telling to your little ones. No, not this one. Because I want to teach you how to put makeup in myself. And you can learn something from me. How I make myself beautiful. Okay guys, just watch this. Hello, so I make now this camera closer to my big face. Okay, so that you will see very closely how to do this makeup. And you know guys, before that, I want you to introduce this headband. And you know, I made this knitting. This is the gansillo and handmade. I made it by myself. And this one I gave to my sister long time ago. Almost, how many years? 11 years, I think. 11 or 12 years. Yeah, it's like this. Because this one, I make this one by the use of gansillo. If you know gansillo, in Philippines, they call it gansillo or knitting. I told you I have a lots of talent. I know how to do this one. I'm selling before also. I make some earrings, and then I mobile phone cover or case or pouch. I mean, mobile phone pouch. I'm selling before this one. And I see this one in my sister's cabinet. So I'm looking for the headband so that the hair is not fall down when I do some makeup. But I saw this one and I remember, because this is already 1 decade, you know, how many years now this one, but still alive, see? And I make it by myself. So she's very lucky because I made it. And you know, I make also some bonnet. I remember before for my daughter, little daughter, by the use of this one. It's bonnet, you know, and then there's a ruffles here like this, you know. And I'm making also some doll cloth, you know, the Barbie doll cloth for my kids. So, by the way, this is not our topic. Our topic for today is, of course, how to make your eyes beautiful. Because nowadays, I told you, always covering our face. So, nobody see our face, our whole face, only our eyes. Okay? So, first of all, I'm always clean my face. So, I already clean my face. So, I already put some cleanser. I was already. And now, we will put now a foundation. So, this foundation, I'm using, there is a, it's 24 hours, it's matte finish. And there is a, what you call this? SPF 25. There is already a sunblock. Okay?
And now I will put the foundation in my face, so I scattered like this, like a dot, all over my face, and then I will spread it with the makeup sponge. I really love this foundation because this one, it will last up to 24 hours, even you did not retouch, you know. And as you can see, this is very silky and smooth texture. Next, I will put some outline in my eyebrow. So eyebrow pencil, I'm using only for the outline. I will not use this one to refill my eyebrow. Okay, after putting the outline, I will refill this one with the eyebrow powder. It's also color brown. Next, I'm using concealer to cover some of my dark spots because I have some pimple scars. So I will use this one and under my eyebrow to define more my eyebrow. Now I will put a liquid eyeliner in my eyelids. So this is the first thing I need to do before I put the eyeshadow. Take a look, guys. This is how I put my eyeliner. As you can see, I look like Japanese. Now let us put the eyeshadow. I have one brush here. I'm only using one brush for any color, because I'm very comfortable doing this one with only one brush. I'm not using too much brush in putting my eyeshadow, even if this is different color. So today I'm wearing pink, and of course I want that my eyeshadow also is almost same with my cloth. So I put fuchsia pink. When you are putting eyeshadow, guys, you have to blend it so that it's not look like a clown. Okay, so I put some light pink on top to blend it together. Of course, to highlight then my eyelids, I put some ivory color, as you can see, to look like my eyelid is big. Now I will put some black color to define the eyelids. Next, I put some golden shimmering on top, but not too much, only little. Usually, I blended it with my finger. You see guys, my eyelids, as you can see, it's very nice. Now I will put eyeliner in my lower lids. So I will retouch again the liquid eyeliner on top of my lids. I will put now a blush on. Now I will put some bronzer. Now I will retouch with some pressed powder. And of course, don't forget to put the mascara. Okay, I always put mascara for my eyelashes. We need to have a beautiful eyes because nowadays only our eyes they can see because we always covered with the face mask. I also want to put a nose bridge, as you can see, so that it was looking very pointed nose, you know. I use for this the eyebrow powder, the brown eyebrow powder. Okay, it's the brush and I blend it with my fingers. Guys, look at my nose. Then I retouched the bronzer. I added some. Lastly, of course, I'll never forget my lipstick. When I was choosing a mask, I'm not putting a lipstick. I just put it now because I want to show you. If I have a mask, no need to put lipstick. Now take a look, guys. This is the result of my makeup. As you can see how beautiful my eyes. As you can see, it's very nice. Try to do it, and after you go outside and put the mask. Okay, I'm looking for my mask. So put the mask, and now when you put the mask, nobody knows who you are. They are thinking I'm not a Filipino now. If I'm putting this mask and my makeup is like this. This is the big transformation. As you can see my eyes when you are wearing mask. See, they are looking in your eyes. Very beautiful. Remove my ponytail. Okay, let's see. As you can see, take a look. And of course, I want to remove my mask. I want to show you my face. See how beautiful I am. As you can see, even I had a mask, it looks very charming. See? Beautiful eyes. So guys, try to do it what I did, and you will become more beautiful with a mask. Okay, let me remove the mask. I want to show you my face. See? I believe eyes speak louder than words. So guys, like and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. And of course, don't forget to click the bell so that you'll notify whenever I uploaded a new video like this. Of course, I'm always doing a baking and cooking video. We have also a theory and Q&A. Now I make another kind of video like this for you, because I want to share to you my knowledge and skills, whatever I know. Not only for baking and cooking, but for anything. For anything that I know how to do it, I will teach you. Okay guys? And again, this is Chef Deborah. Thank you for watching.